Email marketing has the highest return on investment of any marketing channel in e-commerce. Not social media, not paid ads, email. And most Shopify store owners are not using it because they think they need to sign up for some expensive third-party tool, figure out complicated software, and spend hours building campaigns. Here's what they're missing. Shopify already gives you an email marketing tool. It's free, it's already connected to your store and your product catalog, and you can have your first 3 emails running in about 30 minutes. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you build smarter Shopify stores and grow your e-commerce business. Let's get into it. Why email marketing matters for your store. Before we touch anything in the dashboard, let's first talk about why this channel is worth your time. Because a lot of new store owners treat email like an afterthought. They put all their energy into Instagram posts and paid ads, and they completely skip the one channel where they actually own the audience. You see, here's the thing about social media. You don't own your followers. The algorithm decides who sees your posts. A platform can change its rules overnight and cut your reach in half. That happens constantly. Your email list is different. Those are people who specifically said, yes, you can contact me. You send an email, it lands in their inbox. No algorithm between you and your audience. That's why the ROI on email is so high. You're not paying to reach people who already said they want to hear from you. You're just pressing send. Shopify email is built for this. It pulls your products directly from your store, fills in your branding automatically, and connects everything to your customer data. The emails look professional from day one, and you don't need to know anything about code or design to make them work. Everything in this tutorial is free and inside your Shopify dashboard. If you're not on Shopify yet, you can go ahead and use the link down in the description to start your free trial. 3 days free, then $1 a month for the first 3 months. Links down in the description. Let's break this down. What Shopify email gives you for free? So every Shopify store gets 10,000 free emails per month through Shopify email. That 10,000 resets at the start of each calendar month. It doesn't roll over, but for a store just getting started, 10,000 emails is a lot of runway. After you hit that limit, you pay $1 per 1,000 additional emails. So scaling up is cheap, even when you need more volume. And for context, abandoned checkout emails, one of the most valuable automated emails you can send, are completely free, and they don't even count toward your monthly 10,000. That's its own separate tool inside of Shopify. The features you get with Shopify email include a drag and drop campaign builder, pre-built templates for things like product promotions, sale announcements, newsletters, and back in stock alerts, plus email automation for things like welcome sequences and win-back campaigns. Your products pull in automatically with live images and pricing. You just pick what you want to feature and the email builds itself. Where to find Shopify email? So go ahead and log into your Shopify admin. In the left sidebar, click marketing. From there, you'll see 2 main options, campaigns and automations. Campaigns are one-time emails that you send to your list, like a sale announcement or a new product launch. Automations are emails that go out automatically based on customer behavior, like when someone subscribes or when a customer hasn't bought in a while. This is your home base for everything we're about to set up. Creating your first email campaign. So to navigate there, here we are in the Shopify dashboard. We'll go ahead and click on marketing. And here we go, campaigns. This is where the emails is. So click campaigns, then create campaign. Shopify will ask what kind of campaign you want to send. You'll see template options here. Pick one that fits your goal. If you're announcing a new product, use the product feature template. If you're running a sale, use the promotional template. Now, once you select a template, you're inside the email builder. This is a visual editor, so you're working with blocks. You can move things around, swap out images, change text, and add or remove sections. Nothing here requires any technical knowledge. If you can edit a Google Doc, you can build an email in Shopify. So here's the part that saves the most time. Click the product block inside your email and search your store's catalog. When you select a product, Shopify automatically pulls in the product image, the name, the price, and a Shop Now button. You don't have to copy and paste any of that manually. Select the product and it's done. Now, one thing I forgot to mention is going ahead and getting Shopify messaging. This is free to install, and this is how you can create customized email and SMS campaigns. So in the Shopify App Store, just search for Shopify messaging and click install. This will bring you then back to your Shopify admin, and we'll go ahead and click install. email, and there we go. So from here, this is where you can go ahead and click on create campaign, and we can go ahead and give the logo a header, the store name, and this is how we can go ahead and customize everything. Customizing your branding. So before you start sending campaigns, take a few minutes to set up your email branding. Inside Shopify email settings, you can upload your logo, set your brand colors, and choose your default font. Once that's configured, every template that you use will automatically match your store's look. Your emails will look polished and consistent without extra effort on your end every time. Also set your sender name and reply to email address. The sender name is what appears in the customer's inbox before they open the email. Use your store name or your personal name, something recognizable, not a generic address like no-reply at. Make it feel like it's coming from a real person. Scheduling versus sending immediately. Now, when your campaign is ready, Shopify gives you two options. You can send it immediately or you can schedule it for a specific time and date. For most campaigns, scheduling matters. Email open rates are higher at certain times of day. Mid-mornings on weekdays, Tuesdays through Thursdays tends to perform well for e-commerce. But your audience might behave differently. So once you've sent a few campaigns and you have some data, you'll start to see your own patterns. Use the schedule option to plan ahead. If you're running a weekend sale, build the email on Thursday and schedule it for Friday morning. That's a better workflow than scrambling to send something the morning of the sale. Setting up a welcome email automation. Now let's get into automations, because this is where email marketing really starts working for you without you doing anything. So the welcome email is the most important automation you can set up. When someone subscribes to your email list, they're at peak interest in your store. They just found you. They liked what they saw enough to give you their full email address. The welcome email is your chance to make a great first impression while the internet is still warm. Click automations in the marketing section and then click create automation. Look for the welcome new subscriber workflow. Shopify will walk you through the setup. You'll choose your timing, sending the welcome email immediately after someone subscribes in this standard, write your subject line, and build the email content. So a good welcome email does a few things. It confirms a subscription so the customer knows it worked. It tells them what kind of emails they can expect to receive and how often. It introduces your brand in a short, friendly paragraph, and it often includes a small incentive for the first purchase, like a discount code. Something like, here's 10% off your first order for just joining. That's a classic welcome email offer, and it converts well. Keep the welcome email simple. One clear message, one call to action. Don't try to cram your entire product catalog into the first email. Save that for follow-up campaigns. Growing your email list. Email tool is only as useful as the list behind it. So let's talk about how to actually get subscribers. So the most effective method for most Shopify stores is a pop-up form. Go to online store, then themes, and open the theme editor. Many Shopify themes include a built-in email sign-up pop-up. You can configure it to appear after someone has been on your site for a few seconds or when they're about to leave. Pair it with an incentive like a discount or free shipping, and your conversion rate on that form will go up noticeably. You can also embed a static email sign-up form on your footer or on a dedicated page. This captures people who are specifically looking for it, which often means they're more engaged subscribers. Now, one rule for growing your list: only add people who explicitly opted in. Don't import contact lists from other sources unless those people signed up for your store specifically. Email deliverability depends on list quality. A small engaged list outperforms a large cold one every time. What metrics to check after sending? After your first campaign goes out, give it 24 to 48 hours and then check the results. Inside Shopify email, you'll see a few key numbers. Open rate is the percentage of people who opened your email. A solid open rate for e-commerce is anywhere from 20 to 30%. If you're below that consistently, your subject lines need work. The subject line is what gets someone to open the email. That's it. Nothing else matters if they don't open it. Click rate is the percentage of people who clicked a link inside your email. This tells you whether your content was interesting enough to act on. If your click rate is low, look at your call to action. Is it clear? Is there only one main thing you're asking them to do? Revenue from email is the most important number. Shopify email shows you how many orders came from each campaign. This is your bottom line. So when to consider moving to something like Klaviyo? So Shopify is excellent for starting out. For most stores under 1,000 subscribers, it's all you need. As your list grows and your strategy gets more advanced, you might hit limits. Klaviyo is the most popular advanced email platform for Shopify stores. It offers more sophisticated segmentation, more complex automation flows, and deeper analytics. It integrates tightly with Shopify, so switching is fairly painless when you're ready. We've got a link for that down in the description as well. Now, the signal to consider Klaviyo is usually when you have over 1,000 subscribers and you want to start segmenting by purchase behavior. For example, sending different emails to people who bought once versus people who buy regularly. That level level of personalization drives significantly higher revenue per email. But don't move until you need to. Shopify email is free and it does the job. Use it until you grow out of it. So that's Shopify email from the ground up. 10,000 free emails per month, a visual campaign builder that pulls your products automatically, welcome email automation that works while you're asleep, and a clear path for growing your list and scaling up over time. This is the channel that pays you back over and over. So build the list, set up the automations, and let the emails do the work. If you're not on Shopify yet, the entire tool is already inside the platform waiting for you. Use the link in the description to start your free trial. 3 days free, then $1 a month for the first 3 months. Again, link in the description. This is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission if you use it at no extra cost to you. But other than that, I'm Eric from Shopify Mastery. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you here in the next video.